Hello viewers, my name is Ola and I'm back again to continue our video series. Today I want to show us the basic procedure of setting your gate pass system. You agree with me that security is key in our schools, and we have integrated and added a gate pass generation module, a gate pass generation module for visitors that are coming into our institutions. All right, it's good to keep tab and keep records of those that are coming in and who they are coming to see. By best practice, it is what is needed to be done, and we are making it easier by adding such modules to make institutions have the opportunity of creating their custom gate passes and keeping records of any visitor that comes to the school and what they have come to do, what time are they coming in, and what time did they leave. All right, so you go to the gate pass module. We go to the gate pass module. You see the gate pass dashboard. You see the records of visitors for today, visitors on campus or within your premises, special visitors, visitors that are blacklisted, those that we suspect that their reasons for visiting the school or the institution is not for good purposes, based on assertion and things we have their activities. You can blacklist those visitors so that next time they come, you can easily identify them and inform the security not to allow them in. The first thing you do as usual is go to your setup. In every module you need to have your setup. You need to create your visitor type. And then you click add new. Okay, you add your visitor type. Okay, you can, depending on what the school structure is, you can have official visitors, official visit, official, you add. Okay, you can add new again and say personal. You add, you can add again, maybe you say delivery, depending, it just doesn't matter. Okay, you can add one more. You can have maybe regulatory inspectors, maybe inspection, and so on and so forth. So you have to first add your visitor types. You can always edit or delete the visitor, your type, and you'll see your information visitor type updated successfully. The next thing is you capture the gates. Some schools have more than one gate entry. Some have main gates, you have your back gates, you have front gates, especially schools that have crowds when the school is closing for the day. So some schools always have the channel where parents pass through to pick their children, the entry gates and exit gates. So it depends. So let's just say main gates. Let's say main gates. Okay, gate number, we can say 1. The security guards. Okay, let's say we didn't create security, we might quickly need to go create security for this. Let's quickly go to create security for this. Okay, we go to our home, you go to institute management. Remember, we have a video for this, and you go to user management. Under user management, okay, first, before you go to user management, you go to your master setup. All right, this is where you had your roles. So let's add a security. Okay, we have a security role. We already have a security role, but I'm sure we didn't add users to that role. So let's just go to user management, and then you go to security management. let's add box security. You click actions, you click add box security. All right, you download the sheet, security sheet, download security sheet. We open it, we open the Excel sheet. Okay, all done. Okay, we open the security. Remember, when you are uploading anything in bulk, the fields that matters is the name. So let's say security one. Let's say security one. Let's say shift security. Let's have shift security. Security officer. Then assistant chief. Security officer. Okay, doesn't matter, you can use any name. Then let's just say we have like 5 security personnel under them. Just say the security one, and then we can autofill the field. Let's say okay 6. All right, their mobile is, let's say 987654321. Now this is just for the purpose of demonstration. You are supposed to put a valid mobile number. Okay, you're supposed to put valid mobile number so that you will be receiving SMSs, and then users can have notifications properly and on time. All right, for now this is what we need. Just save it. Remember the name you are using to save it and where you are saving it in. This is in the download folder, so I'm just saving it directly, and then I'm going back to my upload. Okay, go to download and type security sheet. See security sheet here. Just open. If there's no error, then you'll be fine. If there are errors, check the red boxes. Yeah, this is red because you have not assigned them. Just assign them to all schools. It doesn't matter, depending. Assign them to the school and the sub school to the institute, so that they will be appearing everywhere. Then you can import your security. You can see your field. The major fields is what we have provided. Okay, we can, it's good to have employee code. Just say security 00001. Okay, we should have added that in the, when you are adding it, when you are capturing, but it doesn't matter. It's always good to have your employee code 5 6. You can edit it here. Even after uploading, you can edit it. Okay, then we can upload. All right, so let's upload and import. Import security. If there's an error, it will tell you error found in column. The mobile is existing, so let's just say 09, and then we import again. The system does not allow you to repeat phone numbers. You can't use a phone number that's already captured. You cannot. Okay, so let's wait for the import. Okay, we still have an error. So let's check again. Let's check this, and then we import again. Okay, we have successfully imported security. Now remember, we have to come here so that we can have security to add. Let's go and confirm that our security personnel or department get users. Let's confirm. Okay, now we have security personnel already added. So we have to go back to our module now. Let's go back to our module, gate pass module, where we are going to have our master setup and gates. We are working on the gates, remember. So we add new gates. and I said main gate. Let's say main gate, and gate number is gate 1, and the security guard, of course we have security, let's say security 1. All right, we can have 2 securities, security 2 assigned. We can have 3, we can have 3 securities. Okay, then you add institute gate. Okay, now this security 1, security 2 is going to be somebody's name. Remember, this is just for demo purposes. It's going to be Mr. A, Mr. B, or Miss A, Miss B. It's their employees. All right, so we can add new gate. Let's say the gate is back gate this time. Back gate, you can name it gate 2, and you find out that the other securities that have been assigned will not be available. So if they are available, we can still, okay, let's say we can still use them. Add this. We have to get, let's say the other gate is let's say parents pickup. You can call it pickup gate. Pickup gate, doesn't matter, maybe that's the gate you designed. This institution is set aside for parents to be able to pick their learners, to pick their words. Okay, let's say 3 and 4, we'll remove them from the first one, so that we have only 2 securities per gate. Okay, let's remove 2 securities here. You can assign all securities, because they will be, you can sort that in the shifting when you are doing the shift. Like security system, they have shift. When we are in the video, in the HRM video, we'll show you how to assign shift. So even when all the security are assigned to all gates, you can still separate their duties by shifting, by setting shift for them. Then custom field is the kind of field you have when you are capturing the information, the person to meet, the visitor's name, meeting purpose, time in and time out, and so on and so forth. And of course, here is where you have your visitors. Now, here is where you have your visitors. So let's say you can add visitor. Let's say Mr. Tambo Kingsley. Let's say Mr. Tambo Kingsley is our visitor, and his mobile number is this. His email, let's use any email, doesn't matter. tambo@mail.com. User type, it's the official or personal or delivery or inspection is official. ID card type, okay, let's say driver's license. ID card number, you can put some codes depending on the library. Address is Pretoria, Egypt. Okay, let's just say Pretoria in Egypt. If there's any Pretoria in Egypt, it's just for the purpose of demo. Then let's say the person is a VIP visitor, then you can upload the image. You can upload image. You can upload the image of the visitor. Let's say this is the visitor. Okay, let's say this is our visitor. We upload the image, and then we add visitor. Okay, then the next thing is it takes you to create gate pass, gate pass for this visitor. All right, so now who is the person to meet? Is coming to meet, let's say he's coming to meet Miss Itumeleng, and purpose of meeting is official. You can still put it official. The time in, let's say he entered at 10:15, sorry, and he will tell you how long he's going to stay. In most cases you might leave that when he's going. Then which gate is he going to pass? Let's say main gate. All right, then you add the gate pass. Now you can print this. All right, you can edit if you think there is an error. If he says he's going to spend 1 hour, most cases you can say okay, by 11:15 or 11:30 it should be done. Okay, so you can update that. You update, then you can decide to print your gate pass. You print. Okay, now this is how your gate pass will look. You can see this is how your gate pass will look. It will put the date there. It will put the details of the visitor and the gate the visitor is expected to going through, and the time frame of the meeting, what is the purpose of the meeting, the date, and so on and so forth. And that's how you print this for the visitor. So that's the basics about some security measures you have put in place for the benefit of your institute. This is how you design a gate pass for your visitors, at least so that you can keep track and keep tab of those that are coming in and are going out. Okay, so for those that are okay, so this is the list of the visitors. So as many visitors you have records of them here, and of course you can create the gate pass for this visitor if you have not created before. So that is the basics. You go to master setup, you set your visitors type first, you set your institute gates first, and next you set your custom fields. If there are additional information you need, you can add more. Okay, you can add address, for example. You can decide to add address, and whatever field you add here is going to show. It's going to show when you are creating gate pass. For example, let's create a gate pass now. You see that address will be part of the fields that is going to show now. You can see address here. Can you see? Address is now part of the fields. So those are things that you can do with your gate pass module. In the next video, we are going to discuss another module on afriSAMS School ERP. Thank you for watching. God bless you.